Good morning, welcome to day 7 of Vlogmas. It's 11 o'clock. I haven't recorded anything because I've just been working. I'm working from home again today. I haven't been doing much Christmas stuff today, so I feel like today's gonna be a pretty boring day, but nonetheless I shall vlog it and see what happens. I did have to pick up a parcel on behalf of Billy because he said it would be an early Christmas present, so maybe that is what I will film this afternoon, and I have no idea what it is. Like I said in previous videos, I've only asked for one thing, but he said it's an early one, so we shall see what it is this afternoon when he gets home. I'm feeling a lot better than yesterday. Headaches are gone, but I'm just very stuffy in the nose. But I'm feeling much better, and I feel like tomorrow will be a better day. I'm not sure if I'm going to go into work tomorrow. It is our Christmas party lunch, but I'm not sure if I'm going to go. We'll see how I wake up. It's not a big deal if I miss out. I don't really mind, but we shall see where the day takes me, and yeah. Hi, I'm still in the same space I was a few hours ago. The only Christmassy thing I've done today is paint my nails like a candy cane, but I'm not really too happy with them. They're a bit strange looking. I'm not sure if I'll paint another red stripe on the other side when it dries. I feel like it needs like gold or something, but for what I've got in my house now, it will do. It looks kind of cute on camera. And I've been watching the Santa Claus, so that's literally it for Vlogmas day 7. It's not festive, but that's my life, so see you tomorrow. Good morning, it's Vlogmas day 8 and I'm just about to head off to work. I'm wearing my cute little top from Shein. I did my hair that I found on TikTok. It's really cute. I curled it a bit more because my curls when I woke up weren't the vibe. But I'm not sure if I'll be at work all day. I think we can do like a half day today, so we shall see. I've got to leave in like 2 minutes, but I just wanted to show you what Billy got me yesterday because I didn't end up recording it. So he got me these 3 bags. Like, this is like a little pouch, and it's got like mesh almost, and then that one there. I thought they were really friggin' cute, so I won't be able to wear one today because I've got to take my laptop into town. But yeah, happy Wednesday, happy Wednesday. Hi, it's the afternoon and I just thought I would let you know that it is pissing down rain. So it's just been raining for about 10-15 minutes. And this is the result. Lovely. Lovely. There's a magpie over here that I want to come inside because he's just hiding by the poles, which is absolutely precious. There, you're all wet, but it doesn't know that I just want it to come inside and get dry. It is very wet. I'll leave the door open now because before, when it was pouring down, the rain would just come straight through the door. I'm gonna tackle this absolute mess, so maybe I'll set you up on a time lapse and just get at least some footage in. There hasn't been much to do Christmas worthy today because I've been at work all day. We had our Christmas lunch. It was good. I had ravioli, which is delicious, but my tummy hurts, so obviously I can't really, not supposed to be eating pasta, but you know, Christmas time and whatnot. I did my hair today properly. Like, I curled like bits and bobs. Like, I put it up in a ponytail and I just chucked it in some curls to see how it would look. And the tinsel didn't really hold in the curls properly, but I did like this little, it looked cute this morning. like this little TikTok hair tutorial. It was really cute. You probably saw it this morning, but I'm gonna tackle this, tidy up, and then probably edit. I was just gonna say, before I get started cleaning up, I'm just gonna put on the Santa Claus 2 on my phone so I can listen and watch while I clean.